Hey yo, it's the Kid DNA, aka Mr. Get Him the Fuck Out of Here. My new YouTube series called I'm in My Bag. We about to get it popping right now. Just went on Twitter. Y'all all gave me a list of TV shows. That's this week's topic, TV shows. Every week I'm going to come on Twitter, ask y'all to give me a list off the topic that I give y'all, and I'm going to drop a freestyle to it. Without further ado, I'm going to retweet everybody that gave me a show, and I'm going to shout y'all out. Let's get busy though. He gonna give me the list. I mean, we gonna go straight through. You know what I mean? This ain't no take one, take two, take three, take four, take five. Start it off. One take, one take. Uh, Freestyle off the top. We starting. The first TV show he gave me was Martin. I leave you with no neck like a cardigan. I mean, shit, my heart's cold like Martin's friend. They keep on acting to our blaming tools. We don't gotta do a game show, our family's feud. I run up on them while they testing me. With beef, I got the recipe. Alex Trebek, your life's in jeopardy. So keep acting till I blame you guys. I shoot your wife, your kids, even the family guy. Cause y'all ain't gripping off and y'all ain't hitting off. These dudes ain't tough. Y'all Peter Griffin soft. I mean, why they talking though? Y'all seen DNA all over the Maury show. I got bread, got it harder. Y'all see me on that show, but I am not the father. So why they trying to pop with you? An obstacle, a bunch of scrubs working in the hospital. See him right there, they ain't talking, they can see y'all. I'm chilling out in DR, his body in the ER. So why these dudes talking? My pen goes to work when I'm staying up in that office. I'm rhyming. And beats I can spit long. And like that TV show, I make them sit calm. So why these dudes touch him? I'm one of the best. I come through and I bust a rhyme. I don't even think y'all hear me. Y'all know Busta Rhymes, Big Bang Theory. I get it down while they testing them. Your girl says she like it raw, no wrestling. Don't know how to act now until I clap round. She think it's all raw. I give it a smackdown. These dudes can't talk instead. You could bury me, I come back, The Walking Dead. See, I'm an animal, never ride. These dudes never try, but me, I can never die. Beef, I'm off the slaughter. I murder you and get acquitted on Law and Order. If that don't work, I'm on the old safe. Or I might get acquitted on cold case. It's beef, I bring knives to ribs. Why just shoot you when I can get your wife and kids? Stop playing, sucker. I mean, you locked your door, but like the dude in the show, I find my way in, brother. They talking like they so hard, a bunch of liars going through the wire like they Omar. They ain't starting for, I'm hard like Spar for the Law. And that TV show was shot out in Baltimore. I'm grinding in this family jungle. I put my bread together. I call it the family hustle. I mean, it's easy though, so don't talk greasy though. I'm breaking it down and freestyling with the TV show. These dudes, they ain't talking straight. I murder you for 2 days. First 48. I mean, it's real quick. They rhyming quick. Fuck 48, I can do it for 96. These dudes can't rhyme well. TV show, Jerry, you know Seinfeld. And I can kill you dudes off of bar one. Can't make a punchline, that would spread the godson. So act till these clips pop. See somebody die over loving the hip hop. Thinking that they tight but they iffy. Fighting over jewels like Kimbella and Chrissy. These dudes act like I could spit with this, but I refuse to ever rhyme about Lizard Lick. I'm crazy on this sick and grind. I got these lyrics, I'm ready for it. I'm steady for it when I'm lyrical rhymes. I'm back on beat with a criminal mind. On these old streets, ready for war for this old beef. They stop on my block, so I cop like the police. These dudes can't take it fast. A couple knuckles, boom, boom, they breaking bad. Their skin tissue messing up, it's all gone. Got a fucked up cheek and a jawbone. These dudes know I spray fiends, fuck the B and the C list. We reppin' the 18. They can't spit with me, they ain't as sick as me. They so sharp, can get a mohawk, Mr. T. I'm rolling like I'm Tupac, rolling with 2 shots. I'm ghetto in the boondocks. I'm getting bread, yeah, we getting money, fuckers. Bow, closing niggas' eye like Uncle Ruckus. Beef, let y'all all in the warrant to give your whole squad a clip. Sports Center. We sell it, then we eBay it. If y'all ain't catch it the first time, we'll replay it. These dudes, it's insanity. I'm writing right now, chilling with Modern Family. I'm right now, I can move and spit it. Modern Family, next world, that's futuristic. These dudes can't get some. It's sad your son's retarded, he a simp son. I roll up on him, your chick at least a fatty. When it's beef, I roll through with at least a Maggie. These dudes can't spit at me. Y'all don't gotta ask about that. I'm the killing queens. I'm an animal on it, dude. I'm steady. I'm ready. I'm the king of queens. Now Doug Marabelli. You dudes gonna hate this. And also, everybody hates Chris. I'm killing with the same flow. That's Pam on that TV show. She just changed roles. I swear I be the best, bitch. DNA, look in my eyes. I'm a fresh prince. You keep on acting, I'll let that still spit and get your ass run out of Philly. You Will Smith. These dudes, they ain't sparking hard. I leave you 6 feet under. I shoot your entourage. Triggers clap. Get your niggas smacked. You know it's showtime once I send a match. It's easy though. Your chick a slut, she Dragon Balls, no TV show. I run up on her, know that I can spark it. I'm so cool, just like Goku, I'm an artist. Nah, I ain't gonna stop for hours. That's an old cartoon called Rocket Power. And I can spit it nice, guaranteed I spit it right. I know drug dealers that hustled and sold the naked knife. So why you blaming your gun? You have a stroke and pass away, Sanford and Son, best blocks. Keep on acting, they let them texts pop. That ain't a diss, but R.I.P. the Red Fox. They can't spit it with me. I'm nasty off the top, despicable me. I'm crazy. These dudes can't talk to them. As far as TV shows, well, that was all of them. Oh, dudes want an all-inner. I said that already. I talked about Sports Center. Butt dead, bloodshed, Beavis and Butthead. Spitwell did it, and now I don't gotta say that line, cause Big L did it. These dudes, they gonna all fall once the chopper go blocker and hit your all-stars. These dudes can't test with mine. I'm having fun in the game, call it adventure time, and I'm the best to rhyme. Next to die, your life I fuck up and jeopardize. These dudes, they be ending corny. I'm running through the game, and never ending story. I'ma keep on grinding, I'ma keep on signing until these rapists and these labels start signing. Hold it down, a different world. Before you mention to me about the Family Guy, well, I'ma be in a different world with Jasmine Guy. And she giving me tops, I mean it's so good. I'm still rocking the fitted, cause I'm so hood. You dudes can't spit it, sucker. I put your squad in the box, no living color. Man vs. Food Nation. You dudes hating, man vs. Food Nation. Like that. I ain't gonna freestyle cause I don't like that. One. Testing them. Why you dudes ever disrespecting them? Not a rookie, all up in this game. I swear to God that I'm a veteran. You so cool, nigga. I go old school like the Jeffersons. So why they keep on talking like they off it? I'm getting paid and still got it made like Florence. They acting up till they see the grind. And you don't gotta write it. We be between the lines. We between the lines. That's it. You stupid niggas, you got that? So don't talk to them. No house, I slaughter them. As far as TV shows, that was all of them. And I could take up curves, and I just freestyle and have to make up words. And I'm laughing, filled with laughter, cause I ain't freestyle like I did against Disaster. I had a lot to spit, and in that third round, I made up a lot of shit. But now I'm abominated. I made up a lot of shit, so now I'm constipated. And I pop those mags. It's your kid 50 Cent with Roscoe Dash. Yeah. Yep, the actual demographic of the product. Nah. You know what I mean? We're gonna go through the list right quick. Shout everybody out. We're gonna get the fuck out of here right after that. You know what I mean? Shout out to this everybody on Twitter. Shout out to @CoolDesign. Shout out to @TrueSeaGuard the Beast. Shout out to Michael Hayner 23. Shout out to the Kid Trash. Shout out to Warren Winch. Shout out to Chris Caney. Shout out to Spliff Igor. Shout out to Self Made. Shout out to your boy Matt 125. I seen him on Jamaica Ave. Was good. Shout out to Yellow Prince LOM. Shout out to Deadly Ninja 28. Shout out to Danielle Nicole. Shout out to Shane Bryant 24. Shout out to Flash Squad's Finest. What's up, boy? Shout out to J Nice LVC. Shout out to my man Bumpy the General. Shout out to BSTK. Shout out to AT2. Shout out to Cheddar 845. Shout out to Big Earl NJ. What's up, Big Earl? You know I know you, man. We be talking all the time. Shout out to SoFly Swave. Shout out to Heavy Arms Matilla. Shout out to Oh You're Following Me. Shout out to Drizzy Dre, Mike Trey, Blue Magic QB, Jada Martin 72, T Butter, Who Kid, J Riff, Prez Isme, J Tooley 0821, Capricorn V Dog, Wicked Boy 25, Bang Out 585. Cash G973, Hocus 177, The Kid Young B, Remy D890, Nettie McFly, You Can Never Beat Me in the Battle, I'll Destroy You, Coop Cobain, shout out to DJ SB, I seen you at Applebee's, stop it. And shout out to my man Official Anthony, shout out to I Spaz on Grannies, and shout out to my man the Spick Sad. That'll leave you click dead with that infrared. You know what your bitch said. DNA King, Mr. Get him the fuck out of here, man. Until next time, man. It's the Kid 50 Cent. Roscoe Dash, we shining out.
Yeah, you know that we are.